Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still think this is 5 ways up for A, and I still think this is very, very likely A, B, C of B, which I do think should take out the low of these previous two lows before it potentially makes another attempt on the move up. So going down to the weekly time frame, this is where the pattern really shines to me because this is very, very clearly 5 waves down for A. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves up, and yes, it is a higher high, but I do think that is an irregular wave B or just an expanding correction. And I think this is now a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which should be a part of this ABC of B. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we got very, very nice impulsive down. We got very nice corrective up. I was a little unsure whether this really was the end of a wave two or not, but looking at price action, it definitely looks like the end of a wave two. It probably is going to bounce a little bit from here because we did just take out a very important level, and this blue box represents an important level on the weekly monthly time frame. So it probably will make a bounce, but for me, anytime I see a bounce in a downtrend is actually a great opportunity for me to get short again for the continuation of this downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the trend is definitely down. Even on the 4 hour time frame, there's no break of structure, there's no significant high or low. Literally, the 4 hour time frame, the daily time frame, the weekly time frame, and the monthly time frame are all in downtrends. The trend is your friend, so guess what I'm be doing? I'm going to be looking for pullback entries to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So let's keep all this in mind. Let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm watching very closely. If it does go up and break this structure, then that would be the end of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave pattern to the downside. So if it breaks structure, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on the last move down, and I would personally would not be going long, but instead I would be patiently waiting for 3 wave pullbacks to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, I'm not a scalper, I'm more of a swing trader, so I would prefer to patiently wait for the proper trend trade. But if you are a scalper and it breaks structure, you could possibly try to do some counter trend trading. But I highly recommend being patient and waiting for the shorts because those are the high probability trend trades that are going to make you a consistently profitable trader. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.